What's going on, guys? We had a customer just drop off his 2024 F250 Tremor for a full SDHQ makeover. Take a good look at it now, because it's not going to look like this for long. Let's get it in the shop and get to work. And there it is. Now what a transformation do we have here. We installed the 5.5-inch Carli Pintop system with every option on it. We've got their torsion sway bar, their high and low mount steering stabilizer, their fabricated radius arms. Out back, we've got their full progressive leaf pack, and of course the meat and potatoes of that Pintop system, 2.5-inch diameter Carli Spec King shocks. This suspension allowed us to fit a set of 38, 1350, 18-inch Toyo MT tires wrapped around a set of 18-inch KMC forged impact wheels. If you guys are looking to get your Super Duty built up, either a big transformation like this or something a little more mild, make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.